If it was built by ShelterWorks, it was built for life. For over 25 years, these words have served as our mission to build the world's finest fiberglass shelters. Shelters pound for pound stronger than steel, thanks to our exclusive fiber beam technology. Shelters custom built and engineered with tailored bulkheads, formed openings, knockout panels, and seamless leak-proof skylights that conform to your needs without compromise in durability. Shelters that could truly live up to a 25-year warranty. Our brand is St. Louis proud and built on the backs of our ACMA-certified composites technicians who craft with precision, pride, and passion. A support team grounded in streamlined design, quoting, and submittal packages. And a management team who ensures we deliver what we say we're going to deliver, when we say it will be delivered. An industry leader, a trusted partner, your source for the finest fiberglass shelters, built for life.